Hello, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we'll demonstrate the usage of the git push command. When we make any changes in our local repository that we need to push into the remote repository, we need to issue the git push command. For example, this is a common scenario when you are working in a team where there is a central repository that all developers need to push their code changes. Now we'll make a change to a particular file in our local repository and then we'll push that change in the remote repository. So let's check the contents of the folder. So we'll pick up the file robots.txt again for our purpose. So let's add some changes in the file robots.txt. Press tab for auto completion, press enter, and here we are in the editor. Press I key for inserting. Let's go down and add a line over here. Let it be a comment line once again. So we'll add a simple line. So we'll be just copying from here and paste it here just to modify the pull to push. Now that we have added the line, we'll quit the editor, press the escape key :WQ for quit and save, press enter. Now we are out of the editor. Let's clear the screen. Let's do a git status, press enter, and as you can see, the file has been modified. Let's now add our changes to the staging area. Git add robots.txt. Let's do a git status once again. As you can see, now that we have added the file to the staging area, let's clear the screen and let's commit our changes using the git commit command. Let's add a commit message, simple message to demonstrate the git push command. Press enter and the commit has been done, as you can see from here. Now that the commit is complete, we need to push our changes back to the remote repository. Now let me show you the git push command. So we'll type git push origin master. Now let me explain each part of the command. So this is the git push command. Origin refers to the remote repository that we mentioned earlier while we explained git pull command. Master refers to the master branch of your local repository where you have made certain changes, and these are the changes that we want to push back to the remote repository. Now let's press enter. Now as you can see, it asks for username of my GitHub account. So I'll enter my username and press OK. Now it asks for password. Now I'll enter the password and click the OK button. And bingo, the push has been done. It says the push has been done from the master branch of our local repository to master branch of the remote repository. One thing to remember is that right now I'm working on the Windows platform, so the prompt for the user password and name might look slightly different on other platforms like Linux and Mac. Now let's get back to our GitHub website. Now here you can see the robots.txt file on the remote repository. Now let's refresh this page by clicking the refresh button, and as you can see here, this is the line that we added before pushing our changes. This clearly demonstrates that by using the git push command, we have been able to push our local changes to the upstream repository, or in other words, the remote repository. Note that git push origin master command works only if you have cloned from a server to which you have write access, and if nobody has pushed in the meantime. If you and someone else cloned at the same time and they push upstream and then subsequently you push upstream, your push will rightly be rejected. You will have to pull your team's changes first and incorporate it into yours before you will be allowed to push your changes.